Have you ever found yourself pausing to admire a beautiful piece of turquoise jewelry? Or have you seen photographs of it or even worked with it and been captivated by its beautiful robin's egg blue color? Well, if you're like me and you've had this experience, know that you are not alone. Turquoise has a long history of use by many cultures from across the globe. Turquoise is known for helping you enhance your communication with your guides, and it also helps you be more mindful of the present moment. The stone is also great for enhancing your self-expression and your self-confidence. Turquoise has both a cleansing and protective quality to it, and it's an excellent stone for removing unwanted energy from your own energy field as well as from your space. Turquoise has a long history of association with knowledge and wisdom, and for this reason, it's a great guide on your spiritual path, helping you remain on the path that's for your highest good. Turquoise also promotes present moment awareness and helps you tune into the energy of relaxation and calm. When you're working with this stone, you may want to try the following affirmation to accompany your work. I am protected and secure in all that I do, and I maintain a solid, grounded connection to the earth. Turquoise ranges in color from sky blue to light blue with tinges of green, often with black, brown, or gray veining. It corresponds to the zodiac signs of Sagittarius and Aquarius, and it connects to the air and water elements. An excellent companion flower for turquoise is agave, and a great companion essential oil is yucca. If you're looking for a crystal companion to accompany your work with turquoise, howlite makes an excellent crystal ally. Some of the very best turquoise is found in Arizona and New Mexico in the United States, as well as Cornwall in the UK, Peru, Mongolia, and Mexico. If purchasing turquoise, you do need to be aware of crystal fakes. There are a lot of different types of fakes available on the market, ranging from ceramics to resins to dyed imitations like dyed howlite or dyed magnesite. Turquoise is also commonly stabilized, meaning small parts of it are bound together with resins, binders, and other stabilizers, which are also sometimes color enhanced. Sometimes the stabilization is minimal with just a thin layer coating a natural stone. Other times it's more intense. It's a common practice to stabilize turquoise because it's quite soft and porous, especially in jewelry. And if you're looking for an unstabilized stone, your best bet is to work with a small jeweler or to purchase old stock, vintage, or antique stones, whether set in jewelry or just as loose lapidary cabochons. Turquoise is a stone of ancient wisdom, and it's known for instilling patience. It really enhances your ability to think things through and take things slowly, especially if you lack clarity about the path ahead. So work with this stone if you need to take a pause, take a moment to gain some clarity, get new information before rushing in to make a decision. If you'd like even more information about turquoise lore or spotting fakes, be sure to head over to my website at loveandlightschool.com/blog. Thanks so much for tuning in. I'm Ashley Leavy here at the Love and Light School. Until next time, many crystal blessings.